myself here. Here we go. All right. My loves, excuse me, I'm going to sneak through. I don't want to get any of your fingers. How many days are there in 1 week? How many, Tamia? 7. Sing with me, my sweets. Hold up. 5 and 2 more, because 5 and 2 more. 5, 6, 7. Sing with me. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. If yesterday was Tuesday, what day comes after Tuesday? This one's really long. What day is this that comes after Tuesday? Mason. Yeah, it starts with a W. W says w, like water. I always put my 2 arms up because it looks like these 2 parts of the W. My turn first. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Good job. W-E-D. N-E-S. D-A-Y. Good job. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. You're a big, like, over with your deep voice. Awesome. My sweets, how many months are there in a year? How many months? Let me turn you guys a little bit. How many months, Jaden? 12. You got it. You guys can stand up. And how should I need you in your square, babe? Jaden. Super fast? Can you guys do that? All right, shake it out. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Tamia, give me 2 high fives. You said all those words and did all the actions with me. You did great. Good job, babe. All right, I need help. If yesterday was March 9th, what number is today? What's the date for today? If yesterday was March 9th. Caleb, what's today, sweetheart? March 10th. You got it, sweetheart. What does a 10 look like? A 1 and a 0. And sweetheart, what shape comes after a hexagon? Do you know what this shape is called? Yeah, say parallelogram. Can you come put up your parallelogram? That is number 10, a 1 and a 0. Thanks, sweetheart. I need someone to come and write the date for me. That it is March 10th, 2021. Mason, you haven't written the date in a while, have you? Come on up, my love. Nazir, could you sit crisscross, sweetie, so your legs don't get squished? Mason, honey, would you like help, or do you want to do it all by yourself? You would like help. What should he write first for our date? What should he do first, sweetie? M, uppercase or lowercase? Yeah, because it's the name of our month. All right, sweetheart, my favorite letter, March. All right, Mason, uppercase M. March and Birch, yep. Oh, good job going all the way up to the top. That looks great. What does he need next after the M? R. What 2 letters say R? Tamia. A-R. Good job. So Mason, you're writing an A and then an R. Why do you think there's a kite up here? While he's writing those, why do you think there's a kite, Jaden? Kite and Kylance are the same, but why do you think there's a kite for the month of March? March is very... It is very good. Wind. If you try to fly a kite when there's no wind, it's not going to stay up there in the sky. So you need to have wind. Why do you think there's a rainbow for March? When do we see rainbows? When do we see rainbows?
You see rainbows and clouds.
You do, but why? Why do you see rainbows and clouds?
Because when it rains and it's sunny out,
Yes.
rainbow comes.
Yeah, when it's raining and it's still sunny out, the sunlight, when it shines through those raindrops, makes a rainbow. You got it, babe. And in March, it's spring. So there's a lot. When the sun shines through that, you see rainbows. Mason, you're not done, babe. You wrote the month. What comes after the month? What should he write next? He did the month. What does he need next? Nazir. Yeah. What number's on the parallelogram? A 1 and a 0. His number 10. All right, Mason, you got to write your date. Good job knowing that was a parallelogram, buddy. Oh, Mason, I love it. Your numbers are all going top to bottom too. Beautiful, sweetheart. What does he need after his date? He needs a cute little... Oh, and you already did that. Last, he needs his yeah. I did it. Oh, my stuff's falling off my wall. Yeah, the wall's a little chilly, so then it falls off. Not as cold. What goes second in his year? Samir, what number is he going to write second? Look up here. I'm pointing to it. What number, sweetie? What number is this? What number is just this one, sweetheart? Just a 0. A 0. All right. What does... A 2. You got it, babe. Please put your arms in your sleeves. And what does he write a 2, babe? Mason, write a 2, sweetie. And what does he write fourth? Timia. A 1. Yep. Honey, you did a beautiful job. Wow. Look at your uppercase letter goes top to bottom. Your lowercase all go vanilla to chocolate. And then all of your numbers are top to bottom. You really good. Sweetheart, you can eat. My loves, I need you to read this beautiful, beautiful date with me. He did excellent. With me, my loves. Grab your microphones. On this sleepy morning, let's have no froggies. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is March 10th, 2021. Say happy Wednesday, and then we just have Thursday and Friday. So we're halfway through after today. I need, sweetie, don't blurt at me, my love. You ready? Set. Go. 40, 50, 60. What are we counting by? Good job counting with me. 4, 50, 60. What are we counting by, Tamia? Not by ones. 40, 50, 60. What are we counting by, Mason? 10s, yeah. 40, 50, 60. I need to come up and finish for me. Jaden, come on up, babe. 50. Good. What comes after 70? Yeah, 80. You got it. Good thing we're practicing this again. And what goes next? Samir, don't blurt, babe. About it. Let him have 90. Let him have time to think, sweetheart. Don't push too hard, Jaden. Just push soft, sweetie. It shouldn't squeak. Otherwise, the marker gets pushed in. There you go. Oh, okay. Good. Cap your marker, sweetheart. Or is it going to say thanks, Jaden? All right. Let's double check. Smart mathematicians always double check. All right. Come have a seat, my love. Count with me. Make sure he did it right. Start at 40. Let me hear your voice. Ready, set, go. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What would come next? 100. How do I write the number 100? Tamia. A 1 and a 0 and a 0. You got it, sweetheart. I need you to tell me if yesterday was day number 112 of school. What comes after 112? 109, 110, 111, 112. What comes next, Addie? 100. Ooh. Sweetie, what does 113 look like? You got it, square. Samir, would you come color for me, sweetheart? Nazir, you stay, babe. 100. You have that. Yep, in those boxes. If you need help, you can look right down here, sweetheart. You don't need help. All right. Thank you, sweetie. You can have a seat. Honey, what number? Right, Tamia. Yeah, what number is that? 100 were you supposed to write? You goof. What day is it today? What number? 113. You silly girl. Can you please write 113? I left your 1. There you go, my love. Sweetheart, what number are you going to look at to know if it's even or odd? Back. You got it. So is 3 even? Is odd. Good job. Line under that one. Yep. Thanks, sweetheart. I need a clock helper. Caleb, why don't you pick a friend to tell you what? Nazir is going to write 8 o'clock. Right here, sweetie. Do you know how to make an 8? Okay. Awesome job, sweetheart. You did great, Caleb. That's not an 8. I'll help you. All right, an 8 starts like an S. When you go back home, looks like this. So you're going to make an S. And then you go back home. There you go. And then o'clock. 0, 0. Good job, sweetheart. Awesome. All right, I will show you guys at home Caleb's good work. Thanks, Nizir. You did great. 8 o'clock, little hand to the 8, big hand up to the 12. And Nizir wrote 8 o'clock. That's what time school starts every day. All right, my loves. I need a coin cup helper. I got dimes and pennies, tens and ones for you to count. Yesterday we counted tens and ones using paper clips. I need someone to come up here and do my coins for me. Addie, would you come up? You haven't written up here yet. You can do my coin cup, my love. Sweetheart, do we count dimes or pennies first? Dimes, you got it, because they are more. You got it. All right, let me take out all the pennies. All right, my love. Let's count how many dimes with her. Count with us. Ready? Go. 1. Good counting. 2, 3, 4. Thanks, Tamia. 5. Good, Nizir. 6. Sweetheart, can you draw 6 dimes? Caleb, would you count these pennies for her? There you go, babe. Wow, you are quick. There are 6. Sweetheart, what are you going to do to know that there are 6? Wait, sweetheart. What are you going to know what are you going to write on top to know there are 6 dimes? Yes. And then Caleb will tell you how many pennies you need. I'll leave your 6. You were going to write how much money right away. Smart girl. All right. Caleb, how many pennies is she going to make? Yeah, 6 pennies. She has 6 pennies. Good job. So now make 6 pennies, my love. You can make them behind or under. Totally up to you, my love. Oh, she remembered her son. They went with Mrs. Tabor, so it looks like I have nobody. Yeah, Timbuktu. That's where my mom always said she was going to send me when I was being naughty. All right, my love, you got to count by tens and ones. Do you want help or do you want to do it by yourself? Okay, count by tens. All right, so close. What do you need to write here? So it says 66. Good girl. Boys and girls, say great job, Adelia. Yeah, she really did great. Thank you, honey. We're going to double check your good work. You can walk carefully back so you don't step on another little friend. Count with me, my love. She did great. Tens and ones. Ready, set, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Switch. I should hear all of you. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 60, 66. Did she write 66? Yes, she did. My loves, when we're counting, I need all of you to count. Mason, Samir, I need to hear you guys too, okay? So you guys know how to do it. All right, we did all that. Oh, let's do tally marks before I forget. How many should we make today? How many should we make today? Adelia? 12. That's a good number. All right, count with me. I want to hear all of your voices. 12 tally marks. Ready, set, go. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, tally up. 5, keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, tally up. 10, 11, 12. Stop. 2 full 5s and 2 extras. 5, 10, switch. After 10 comes 11, 12. I need a weather helper. Now, my weather helper needs to look, so carefully outside because it might be raining. It might have stopped. So you got to look in the puddles. If you see raindrops falling in the puddles, you know it's raining. If you see no falling, then it's cloudy. So my weather helper's got to look so carefully. I like to in. Falling down. It's a cloudy day. It's a cloudy day. Hi, my love. Sorry, we lost you at home. It's a cloudy day. I always say boo-hoo when it's cloudy because my favorite is sweetheart. What kind of weather has the most, my little weather helper? Sunny does. Who has the second most? No. Who has the second most? All three don't have the second most. Just cloudy. And who is the least? All right, we're going to do what we practiced last week with our graph of our families. And we did this yesterday with our names. Look, how many more sunnies than cloudies are there? Awesome. Way to go, sweetheart. You may have a seat. He touched right here and said 1, 2. 2 more sunny than cloudy days. My loves, please make sure your masks are up all the way over your nose. You may stand in your square. What should we count by first today? Oh, I'm so glad snack comes after this because I am hungry. What should we count by first, Caleb? Tens, evens, odds, or fives? Tens. Miss Johnson's way or normal, sweetheart? Miss Johnson's way. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Caleb, pick a friend and go next, sweetheart. Bridget, it's good to see you on, sweetheart. I marked you present for school, honey. All right, you got to say a name. You can't just point and touch people because now I have 2 people saying you picked them. Say somebody's name. Who? Jaden. Jaden, what should we count by next? Odds. What do you want to do while we count odds? We're going to floss. He said we're going to floss. You can dance. If you don't know how, that's okay. Just make it up. Just try your best. Make sure you are still counting. I want to hear your voices. Ready, set, go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Good counting. Mason, you got to count with us, sweetie. I don't hear you, my love. Who are you going to pick next? She was counting. I could hear her voice the whole time. Tamia, do you want to count evens or fives next, sweetheart? Evens. What do you want to do while we count even numbers?
I say clap.
Clap. We have not clapped in a long time. You know what? We should know evens. I'm not gonna hold it. We're not clapping yet though. Ready? Starting at 0. Make sure you're looking up here if you don't know. Ready? I want to hear all of you. Set, go. 0, 2, 4. Good, nice ear. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job. Tamia, pick a friend to tell us what we should count by last. Adelia, what's left? We did tens, evens, and odds. 5. Sweetheart, do you want to go to 50 or 100? Just 50 today. Here we go, starting at 0, counting by 5s. Ready, set, go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Good job, my loves. You guys may have a seat. You did great. Boys and girls at home, I will see you back in 20 minutes for reading. We're going to go use the bathroom and have a snack. So we'll see you back for reading. Short reading today, okay? Bye, my loves. Thanks for joining. You've all been marked present.